Welcome to Genixflooring. Tile flooring is a great option for areas prone to moisture such as kitchens and bathrooms. It's durable and comes in materials like ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone. The installation process for the tile involves laying a cement backer board, spreading adhesive, and carefully placing each tile. Grout is then applied to fill the gaps. Professional installation ensures precise alignment and security. Vinyl flooring is a stylish and durable choice for any room. It's water-resistant, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Vinyl is available in planks, tiles, and sheets, offering great flexibility. Vinyl plank flooring is typically installed using a peel and stick method or a click and lock system, similar to laminate. It's suitable for DIY projects and can be installed over most existing floors. Regardless of the type of flooring you choose, proper maintenance is crucial for longevity. Regular sweeping, mopping, and occasional deep cleaning will keep your floors in great condition. Make sure to use appropriate cleaning products for each flooring type to avoid damage. If you have any questions or need assistance with your flooring project, don't hesitate to contact us. Visit our website or call us today to start transforming your home with beautiful, durable flooring.